Welcome to springlib.
To find a 95% confidence interval for the gas mileage of 2010 vehicles, we need to calculate the sample mean and the sample standard deviation of the gas mileage and then use the t-distribution to find the margin of error. The sample mean can be calculated by adding the 15 numbers together and dividing by 15. You should end up getting a sample mean of 31.266. I'll go to 4 decimal places, 7. The sample standard deviation can be calculated using the standard deviation formula, or if you've got a calculator, you can put those 15 elements into a calculator and calculate the standard deviation, and you should come out with a standard deviation of 5.4963. The margin of error for a 95% confidence interval can be calculated using the t-distribution and the following formula. The margin of error is equal to the critical t-value times the sample standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. The critical value can be found using a t-distribution table or a calculator. For a sample of 15 and a 95% confidence level, the critical t-value is approximately 2.131. So substituting the values, we get a margin of error equals 2.131 times the sample standard deviation 5.4963 over the square root of 15. And this calculates to 3.0242. So the 95% confidence interval for gas mileage of 2010 vehicles would be the 31.2667 plus or minus 3.0242, which gives us a margin or a lower limit by subtracting 31.2667 minus 3.0242, which is 28, and now I'm going to round to 2 decimal places, to 4, and an upper limit by adding 34.29. The interpretation would be we're 95% confident that the true mean gas mileage for 2010 vehicles lies between 28.24 and 34.29 miles per gallon, which would match your choice A.